sarap eh.
I'm Margarita Forés.
I'm George Mendez, and the reason why we're here today is we're going to cook Nongshim Shin Ramyun and putting our own version of it.
So the reason why I'm really excited about cooking Shin Ramyun with all of these beautiful ingredients that are my favorites is to see how it will come out with my own touch.
Wow. Ang sarap eh.
The ingredients that I'm using today start with some garlic, some shallots, some ginger, some lemongrass, baby crab fat, all sauteed in oil. Once that mixture is browned, we add some white wine to the glaze. And then we add some water so we can add our ramyun noodle. Then we add the fresh blue crab and let it steep in the broth. After that, we put in the spice that comes with the sachet. After that, we put in some fresh crab meat. Finally, the coconut milk to blend the entire dish together. And finally, garnish with some leeks. George, I'm so excited to make you try mine, and I want to try yours. Oh my goodness. Okay, exchange.
The coconut and the crab fat really blended well with Nongshim. Wow.
Shin Ram.